Hi, I hope you are well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can be able to change where Google takes the authentication notifications to your devices. So before I get into the video, remember to subscribe to our channel. Open the Google browser because you're going to use change the Google authentication. Click on the three dots on the top. Just go down to the option of password and autofill. Then click on the more. Here you can see the settings options. There is you and Google. Then there is the option of the manage your Google account. Tap on the manage Google account. It will take you to your Google account. So here is my Google account. Then there is the option of the security. Tap on it. Then here you can see the details of your Google account. There is the two-step verification, passwords and security. Then down there is the Google prompt. That's the option that we are going to change. You can see there is the two devices under the Google prompt. After I open it, you can see my devices. They are the devices that are sent the authentication notification to confirm whenever I log into this Google account. So in order to change this, I'll tap on the manage devices. Also, here there is some information. Any device that is logged into this Google account, you can see it here. I have 6 Windows computers that are using my Google account. You can see even the time that they were used. For example, the first Windows computer that is using my Google account, it is currently using it. There was another one using it 19 minutes ago. All this information of the devices that are accessing your Google account, you can see that information in this your devices tab. So I'll scroll down. Then the second option, there is the sessions of the Android phones. Here you can see the Android phones that are connected to my Google account. There is the itel A36. It used the Google account 18 minutes ago. Then there is the Tecno Camon 12 Pro. The last time it used the Google account was March 25. So I need to remove the Tecno Camon Pro. Right now I'm not able to access the device. So in order to do that, I'll tap on that option of the Tecno Camon 12 Pro. Here you can see, you can find the device, you can sign it out, you can see also the recent activities. So I'll need to tap on the sign out to remove the device. And I confirm that. And you can see done. So basically on Google account, the prompt is removed from this device, and that's how you are able to change where the authentication notifications are sent into your devices. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was of value to you. If it was, remember to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in our next video.